Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my version of a clean makeup look. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And also if you're someone new to this channel, then hi, I'm Prerna, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to use this facial spray by Mario Badescu. This is in the rose water variant, and you can use any toner of your choice. And then I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Minimalist. Then I'm going to fill in my brows using this LA Girl brow pomade in dark brown. For primer, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Illuminating Primer in the shade Natural Tint. Coverage, and that's why I'm going with another layer, just a little bit of that same foundation and blending it out again. For my blush and contour, I'm using this sugar palette in the number 01. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter in the number 02. For concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm also going to use the same concealer to prime my eyelids. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the same contour palette from Sugar, and I'm going to use the blush shade on my inner corners and the contouring shade on the outer corner. I'm also going to apply that contour shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the highlighter from the contour palette to highlight my inner corners. For eyeliner today, I'm going to use this NY Bay eyeliner in the shade Brown. I'm not going to apply any falsies today, that's why I'm curling my eyelashes using this lash curler. And for mascara, I'm going to use this one from Mars. Then I'm going to use this NY Bay lip gloss in the shade Caramel Cashew, and I'm going to top it off with another lip gloss which is from Fenty Beauty. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. You can wear this look to work or to college or just as an everyday makeup look. So if you like this look, then do give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching.